If Gallas they on call with Tracy Gallas, they talk. He go put Tejiri for the other call. May they listen to their conversation. Even the day when they got this appointment for their picking, so when Tracy Gallas not quit register a picking for school, when Gallas call need to come go, all of the come gather go. Tejiri was on call. They listen to everything. Now you they call the claim say you know they tell Tejiri and you don't tell her anything. I'll let your brother and I'll let this one now you tell her. The video between
I know that's the one that they give her and I get platform.
The video between oh yeah, wait. The video between Tracy Gallas, you, Felix, and your pikin for inside car. I Tejiri take get her. Who send that gift Tejiri? Because that video never even go. I get the video. The video never even go. Never even circulate.
Send that for me. Send that for me.
Internet. For internet, when me take get that video.
Send that to me. I confirm. Send that.
I will send that for you. So no, Gallas, if you want you the first Justin, not come outside as a cent for years.
Wait. You minimize. Go your WhatsApp. Go send out to me. Now make people believe.
No, now December time. I need to go find them. If they find December time, they send that for me. I'll find them. I will send that for you.
You go send that.
They call the life for you. And they come and call them. I go find them. I send that for you, my brother.
Yeah, now go send that. Go send that. I bring my dad. Wait TJ come. Wait TJ. Moderator, one person. One talk. And I go they accept you now. Anyone if first talk, could I drop the other one? Hello.
Bros, good evening. Good afternoon. Because as this matter be someone not verse. Now the first time they come out, they verse me. Because on only to they bring other people, they blame them. Now this particular woman, for this woman when they bring in a video come outside sewing, it don't born for this man. They don't stay for together reach like 10 years or whatever. But this particular woman when he married recently, who stress she get to ever carry that video, even flip and give another person. So, but I know they accuse other people, say, why is it not gives now? Now, this particular person, now the Tracy Gallas go sue, go court. You need to sue the girl, go.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
So, what I want to contribute, I don't want to stay long. If I be Tracy, may you start to sue the baby papa. Go reach that tea. May you sue all of them, you sue all because that girl now you bring out this video. As part of you don't send her to give one person. Now you link her. If it doesn't not be put her for block.
Now without confirm saying that you send her to the baby papa. Without confirm saying that you send her to.
May not let her slide. May you sue everybody. May you sue everybody. Starting for your baby papa, starting for the wife, all of them. May you sue all. You know go better for them. You know better for the jealousy kill all of una. Shall I say?
When me and Justina start, when I finally test Tracy say it's over between me and you understand me, so I want to focus on that relationship. You feel me? So Justina know like you know really believe based on say me. Tracy tell her many words, maybe say me the man when they talk. So if I want and one, I go get all those kind of stuff. She dey get me so. So each time I talk about my children, come and say maybe I want to go there, go to my children, or I require go there, only that. She go defeat say maybe I go with another motive. She dey get me so. Tell me I'll go there now, I'll go make love with her, all those kind of stuff. Because I don't detail and that kind of thing. Say the man come here, we go make all those kind of stuff. So me, I put her for a call mostly every time I get together for she to hear the conversation of the fight argument. So that she will not say. I don't really get anything when I do for here again.
Yeah.
You understand?
Say that your children see they keep the connection.
Yeah. You understand me? So then my children make the connection still there. So for the video of where they talk just and say me and Felix and I don't say that video get Justin. And even I don't even know who leaked that video out. You understand? Because I was kind of pain saying, because I don't quite believe when the team ever come and say, nah, this guys, so say they get me because me and they see, they come my place, you know, we drink together, all this kind of stuff. So I just want to like say, I know this guy now, no be this one is my family friend. You feel me so? So I was kind of shocked. So maybe I feel use mistake say that for any of my guys.
Ah.
They go to come out.
They help my brother.
You understand me? So
You dey hear me?
just say,
Go fear this your wife, oh. Now your wife I go call her now. You know
my
why?
wife, bro.
You know why they talk am? But the video so wanna take comot. You dey get me so? Now same way. Where they take video the thing, when they use a phone take video and so they take video this one. May I show the video on live? Please see am for live. She not supposed to. She not supposed. May I tell you who the video now? Who Felix the drive on Abi?
Okay, I dey show her. She got the record down.
Yes, yeah.
Shit.
Yeah. Now she. When I look at from the beginning, may I not show the children? May I not show the children? Why did the children?
You can clearly see her say, I not send her for her.
Yes, yeah. You not send that for her. Say, not send that for her. Say, they say I may come the children side.
I only show her for my clip. So they get me so.
Yes, you show. Now Snapchat then you take the show, Abi.
Yes.
Yes, she called the video down with her other phone. And so
You understand me? So that woman with the verse say, I was just always waiting to say, bro, not the year again for me. You understand me? So if I say I go because to be honest,
she not even supposed to take her because the Felix is there with you now.
Because anytime I say I want to go see my children, she be always because the mother of my children tell her so many things. They say, I don't even know now. I know you don't feel extremely do what talk nice about me to you. You understand me? So
when they give me,
that no one even trust me at all. To the point say, before I go to say I want to see my children, one time we see my children. Now gore, it must lead to gore. I won't go change. I'll be like, say, I don't go see my children again because of say I did relationship. You know, you say, no, say, me, I don't go to talk, consider that kind of thing. You know, say, I'm not narrating, not to come and say, when we come there, we get something together. I say, now, to talk be everything, I never see my children for how many months. I don't feel see them. You understand me? So, putting her on call was for me to be clearing myself, not for anything.
Well, now we don't understand that point. I made up you say, I not be saying you send that for her. You don't be like argument. They you they show and say, see I'm now see the reason why I go. You they hear me so.
Yeah.
You are the show to clarify yourself. You know say why for you they show the record and they send them out to people.
You know. You understand? Yeah.
And they come. For those of Rami, they tell say I'm bad man. No. Me, I'm a man. Let me educate you guys. No, who know the day sentimental, but it's me not get me join. Listen. Even with the wife, they get issue. Say, you see go they follow your baby mama, you see go they follow your baby mama. So you guys show on the video, say, see the reason why I go. Now they hear me? See the reason. Now wait, I want to pick this call. Be like, they call me back, I know they hear you. If you call me, I'll move back. Call me, I know they hear you. I know they fit call you. Now I call this person. Just now they always do on call. Why?
Abeg no person me wan know dis Justina he don born for Galaxy
No.
and dem never marry her. Me my people, me I no understand though. Why be so this I no wan talk now, me I no spoil everywhere. Make I fair wait. All this one wey dey fair the second come dey na one come dey. See Justina, you see this thing wey you just cause so. Ready women go come for you and they catch you for that city where you dey, they go beat you. Just dey run, find where hide. Find where hide your fellow woman because say you dey vex and you never bump for there. Only introduction na they don't do. You don't know the kind man where you be. You want separate am for your children. You never felt born. You never felt born for another man. Now my question be that you never felt born for another man or madam. You not born 2 children for another man. Now so your baby papa, a wife or a girlfriend, now so that they disturb you. I don't understand though. You want to remove food for those children, man. Now they carry the do. Okay, as you can't leak this girl, this thing come out. Now what till you gain? Now problem you enter. Ready? Whether now you leak am, not be you leak. As far as say you record them for your your fiancé phone, you post and go give Tracy, man, ready anywhere they see you, people that will beat you. Now trouble you enter, so you are very wicked. Evil girl. For the people.
100 for you.
You I never
Sorry, my sister. Now we are to the people. Black girl, God bless you. 100. When I follow black girl
for you. Your data people that they come for you. You can you do sha. Now you be tejere. You never go born for there. You never born for there. Now you be Ojekia all the way for Italy. Phew, to Germany. To Germany. Once you go follow and drag prick. If now 2 you born for round 2. And you born 2 for your. Why you not go drag your baby papa? 2 where you born for your another man. Tell me how life want it better for you.
Justina.
Man, I feel keep quiet.
Your baby papa now they can't see your children me there with you. Why be say if a girl has one go see you, you be in pain. For you to sit down, listen, Galas, I want to make her clear to you now. Fuck, what do they call her? Justina, today insecure, say you there with Tracy Galaxy. You dey hear me so? For Justina to the fear say you there with Tracy Galaxy, so now I mean say if your baby father wants to go see your children, they see they chop the Justina. Because the way she they do with your baby papa, now they say you and Tracy Galaxy they do. Oh, Vicky, you be Vicky. Vicky not the year. I don't see Vicky for you. Sugar lips. Hello.
Thank you when you take bring me up. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. When I know say me, I know they lie right from the one when this issue they start. But that baby papa also. The day when the man come, where they run for your life. He almost follow and fight for train station. And the man come guess it. He say, make the man come meet her for us. The man say, you know, they come. This girl so.
I don't see Vicky for you. Vicky, come up here again. I dey hear you.
You dey hear me? This girl so, You know why I come pin? Because I know say the truth will ever come outside. As a woman, you collect person husband. Live your life, be happy, be okay. Then you see they want bring this woman down. When I say now she get all the whole fake account, many people attack me. Now she shared the video. If you like me, I send her give Goya and Goya no. And if Goya come for me this time, maybe everywhere go scatter. Because as a woman, what I they defend that is all of us now woman. Best you go collect your husband or your boyfriend today because they bring your name down. It's not good. Nobody go take him. But all of them they support her like saying a good thing and she do. The reason why she feel go far. This girl is very fast in certain things. Or let's say people don't know her. She's very fast.
Woman.
Believe me, safe now where we they play, she go for send her for all.
Woman to woman, let's be honest. What did she do so good? Woman to woman.
Who the mute am? Who the mute am? When I let Vicky talk.
Woman to woman, they go do you tertiary. Woman to woman. You open your fellow eye. She come here and they behave like saints. They behave like saints. But she has been threatening my friend. I then with Tracy. She has been threatening this girl. Say she go bring her down. Woman to woman, they go do you. They go do you, woman to woman.
You don't feel threatening. Yeah. Wait, you don't feel wait.
She they threaten her. When this issue, see, if not Tracy you call for, why you not send the nude to Tracy direct? Why did you send it to the man? Because you not get peace for where you there. You want to scatter another person home. See, you are a bastard. Now you telling me are you there? If I see your location, guy, wallahi, you be up and there. Me and you go pull up for one. We go pull up for one trouser. I go tell you, say I be up and there. You are a fucking bastard. Yeah. You are so pained. You are so insecure. If you're insecure for your relationship, what's it concern my friend? Why you just dey find my friend? Why you want to go scatter where she did? If you dey insecure with your own, what's our business? Why you go carry old phone? Why you dey send? What's your business? Why sharing old videos? What's your business? Insecure woman. Now I'm going to kill you. See, I don't actually do this, but you see, you know better for you, Tejiri. You know better for you.
I don't understand.
Now she they share the video. Now because see, let me tell you something. You might even show it to somebody, and that person they record. You don't know why you they share the video. She go do and finish, you go call. You go say, is Tracy okay? Because you know what you do, you know better for you. You know better for you. Now what I can't tell you. I'm not going live video for your head, though. Never. Now what I just can't tell you, better say you day here. So I want to let you know say you know better for you. Not let us just catch you, yeah?
Make una double tap on me. Make una double tap on me. Double tap, double tap. The Justina, where the Justina? May I call her back? This guy for which kind for you get? Which kind for the Justina get? This one me use a coco me so and this your say coco right. This your right too much oh. For come up oh, na go good pass oh. You for pick oh, quick talk. Tejiri. 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 Wait.
Father. Good afternoon. Tejiri, you dey hear me? You see wetin you do so, Tejiri, You get lost in Italy, you dey. I wish na France you dey, Tejiri, I for come meet you, I for pana beat that your face. Like this thing, jealousy go kill you. You want bring Tracy down, like you dey follow Tracy, they fight prick. Now you want to bring her down. You know if you even go meet your baby father, person when you leave, now person they fuck your baby father. Tejiri now who go kill you. As you say you want disgrace this girl, for this thing when you do so, you do it for good. This girl, you no shame mama. Now yourself you dey shame. You don't see that girl say he clean, he fine, you fine. If you use the post your own, you and your nakedness still there outside. Oh God, we go still post your own. You are a useless girl from your useless mother. Now this guy woman they want marry. When I come to so I can't speak grammar. You know English. You useless girl. Wait, Tejiri of you about me. Urobo guys don't they behave this kind of attitude where you they behave. Thought and I go fire you, Tejiri. Asha we my baba. Asha we my baba. Ekere magu we ban. Ekere magu we ban. You see that Tracy be your problem. You see that Tracy be your problem for this thing. Tracy not be my friend though. You don't big pass you. You not go fit bring that girl down. You not go fit bring that girl down. You see that girl quiet, what you go do you? You know you're high, you go to reach your back. If no now what you appreciate, pana you take pay for this thing when you do this game. What you appreciate because your relationship not good. You want spoil you. It does still leave the galas for you.
Back we talk now because this matter see they hot so You know that music when they sing say body is what? Mona wait now. When they say body is what? Tracy Gallagher the other body is what? Body is sexy. You dey get me so? That girl body, even if you be woman, you thought say that body not sexy, you be fool. And you this girl, see, whether not see that they call you this as you take do this Tracy Gallagher, they say if that boy, that mumu boy marry you, now you okay that boy family. Make that boy go mark her down. This thing when you do so, you not go get rest of mind for this app. You not go get rest of mind. Tracy Gallagher, they tell you too fine. If I be lesbian, I go one man chop you. That mean they let you know, so I declare you. I go one man chop you because some people here na woo waje, but una not fake. The girl not go fit die. Una to do. Tracy Gallagher, they tell you now, body is what? Body is sexy. You too, if you wear me I they tell this guy that if you marry that girl that go kill you. I wish now your mama by mistake just send you a breast just now. Now that girl feel jealous, send your mama video come out. You go send your mama.
Sweet mommy, wait. The Justina now don't call me. Wait. Justina, where would this
stop now? Now press your side on my
now.
Now me come
now
down.
press your side on my now. You send the video. give Precious?
No, I didn't send any video to Precious.
You show her for
I
video
didn't send
call?
No. It was audio call. We were talking.
Okay.
Then we had a conference call with Eva.
Okay. So you not show Precious?
No, she didn't even see it. I didn't send it to her.
Okay. Meaning Precious did not all come out. Now only Eva.
Because when it was training, she sent it to me that see what's going on.
Okay. So now, the bone of contention, in the court of law, the bone of contention is upon you. Because first, now you go bring out twist. I used to talk, you ain't call. She pick another person to come from here. Hey!
Godfather, the way it be so, that girl, I to catch that girl more flogger. Or set cigar for her to.
We shall be in to meet you and meet Italy. Now, one give me visa.
You're not there. No worry, you're not there. As far as I said, I've been for grow work, Kasha. For this thing where she just do Tracy, so I don't know what you may really want. How person go leave Tracy, go for that girl? As in, what work, Kasha, she been at this Europe, all of us there. We'll see John for Benin. That girl, without buy the matter, many of us don't buy her. So we'll Kasha. I wait till I just get to talk.
Now, good afternoon. A lot of people they blame this guy. To me, Ogun ò fẹ́ kí Galas when he record down for phone. Oka gbera ogbijo ogboti olodun. That's one. Because how you go record woman for phone? You don't understand how you go record woman for phone and you want the woman not there again. You dey tell me now, so you ban your phone, you can't put her. Won't you delete it? Wetin you dey use the woman to for phone take dey do? And that useless woman wey be say they never even put money for your head. Nah, they never put money for your head. They never even do marriage for you. Now introduction. Get introduction, rice and stew introduction, what they do for your head. Now you get the mad. They post your fellow woman Toto. And if Galas not post this, okay, jiri Toto, me not agree. The way it says save this girl Toto for phone, he go see save this he new girlfriend Toto for phone. Yes. What did they not do you, not do another person? More not let they blame this girl. But okay, jiri no go agbe. Where Urobojuju go key? Wetin you want get? Wetin be prick when you want fight your fellow woman for? You want just destroy the woman? You want tarnish the image? What is your gain? Ogun must kill. Wetin they call her? The galaxy ne gbe maram. Oh, bros, Ogun must kill you. Ogun no kagele must fair kill you. He must fair kill you because this innocent girl get children. He get children like. This video now, people go keep on future use. They go bring her come outside. I think they torment this girl. I know social media. They'll call the show. They'll say, Tracy, this will not be your Toto. This will not organize your Toto must show. Your Toto, he must show. How you go come marry ma? You say, me the man not go to see children. Are you mad upstairs? Your own baby papa, you know they call they see your two children. What did they not do now? They do another person. If you cannot live with a man that have kids, not just starting because man will get picking. You know, girl, you want do one. There is children. Maybe if the man a very useless man, now another woman will born for night because you say that he first speaking. He know come out for a med. He go the ring for a med. Make Galas not come out because they say I don't know. You know, Ogun Ogbe Ragbishwe. Ekia we no mama ni Ogun Ogbe. Why Galas not bring your prick come outside? Why you can't be saying now let it get now he record they want just destroy this girl career and egba enwa. Organize jiro Ogun Agboye Rabishwa. This thing when you do so Ogun Agboye Rabishwa you will never succeed in your life. You see that Ogun when I post so I'll go put your picture for the Ogun ni I must also egbe because he pay me. Woman when they born you go post it Toto because of prick terror. The prick when you still use money back. Ah, Waugbe.
He go yade.
Money drop me. Why drop me? If not be money, if Galas not be money,
answer me first when you go. He go
money.
yade.
If not be money, Galas na man will lack money. If you not like money, what you want follow Genete Jiri? Na money na. Tracy talk and say once he see Toto, he see money, he left or finish. Mona not let they blame Tejiri. Waiting the man they use yes woman Toto they do for phone. But yeah, Wetin dey use am dey do na season film. Wetin dey use am take dey do for phone? Ogun ogbeli yan yakugbe. Make I go sit down.
If I just bring one person come up now, everywhere we also allow. Wait, me I call one person.
Una good afternoon.
Once they talk, why you? Now I bring what they call this to us. I want to go bring this person.
Una good afternoon. But wetin I wan
Hello.
ask, wetin make Tracy dey depressed? I no understand. Now that one dey pay me pass. The time me you take sell market, we are depressed. No, you're not be, you're not be.
Wait, man, I tell you why she depressed. Go give me your total my post on.
I no understand. I know say they pay. I know say they pay
When
you
you ask why she
understand.
depressed, I don't give me your
No,
total me
wait, I dey ask, but now
you go stop the talk calmly. We shall be say why she depressed. Give me your total make a post on. Make you know why she depressed. Okay, because I the talk say make inside market yesterday, you dey join me. Now I hear this that they give her hope. Oh, now hope I that they give her for my hope. You say why she depressed. Give me your total make a post on. Me you go sell market. Let me say you want sell market. Which market you never sell before? Which market she never sell before? You say why she go depressed. Now so make she not depressed. Make she wait for you.
Ogwoba na go kite jiri ekene te jiri yaje. Ogwoba agbete jiri. Na me Tracy Galas from where Debini. Go down na go kite jiri. Oh say ayelala after they go this morning. Ayelala. I want go swear for Tejiri Galas.
But now who you be for inside?
Na me Tracy Galas sister be friend for Bini. Ogwo na go kite jiri. Ogwoba oloku. Ogun na me eka mo gbete jiri. Eka mo gbete jiri. Agbe Tejiri agbe. Galas wa agbe. Tracy gbete je wa enu wa tu wo agbo.
You know better for Tejiri. You know better for her and her family. And for Moto go jam you that useless man.
Wagbe. Galas eke wa ni o ta. Utu wo agbo. Wow. God punish you. This is what we bring Tracy down. You know what Tracy said they also. You know what Tracy said they also. You know what Tracy said they also.
They talk about whether you know what they say. They talk also now. Nigeria mentality.
If they do business, not me.
Talk say you know what they do business. Some talk also. They go turn around now.
Very long time. Ogwo gbe Galas Tejiri wa tuwu. You and your girlfriend, you know they make out for live video. You dey record down. You dey record down. You don't show your prick. Who bear? Una better bring me down.
Thank you. Your man never bring anybody up again. Now, according to the bone of contention, Galas recorded Tracy. Galas. No, they are Galas. Galas recorded Tracy. Now they get me so. Now Galas record them. Galas, he will Tracy leave each other, but Galas, he told not let her leave because he keep her for his phone, for his arrow. Tejiri, the depressed married woman, the abandoned single mother. Congo, which they call her, go Galas, go carry Galas, SRO, go carry the video, come outside. She not fit use her mentality. She can't circulate her out. In a normal phenomenon, first of all, the first one couple yan na Galas is why you fair record Tracy put for your phone. First point, Tracy not even know say you record her. Second, na one una the date. Now una don't break up. You suppose don't delete am. The first is Galas, the first one couple yan. Then don't come go Tejiri. Because the property of your husband and your husband, you're supposed to keep am safe. You dey hear me so? The Tejiri can't go the post am. Now Tejiri na circulate am. Number 2, Goya no let money dey push you. Goya no let money dey push you. Tejiri paid you. Goya your record dey. You see I lie. So I know why you add your journal. Tejiri paid Goya. So Goya come on you add the door cast. Goya he don't cast your rest. Your come on body. Goya now you talk about yourself. If you say go for the lie, I will bring her come out to her beg. Goya come on yourself. Me and you not get issue, so come on yourself. Tejiri paid Goya. Goya record. Tejiri na pay Goya. Who do you want collect money? Yeah, they collect money for truth. They hear me so. Yeah, me one person talk. Then me go continue. Oh yeah, they hear you.
Godfather, you dey hear me?
Uh,
Okay, now more assume say these galas and Tracy dey do camera down, abi. Why these galas? So why you not video in your part? Why in your part not show for the screen recording? Why be say now like Tracy own that show?
according to the horses that have the video, because me I don't have it. They say when galas they do am, you dey get me? They say when galas they record that galas only dey show tongue. Tracy trust galas, you know who get that message say this man go post me. Based on say na distance relationship, they no dey stay one place. You dey get me so? No be say manipulate na wetin normal, wetin boyfriend and girlfriend be dey distance. Na wetin dem go do. You dey get me so?
Yes.
So e help be like the in dey show galas, if you show galas, then the galas go come still show am. So you no know say when you dey show galas, galas dey record am, dey keep. And why I talk say galas is a wicked man, because according to galas, galas say on a normal note, who dey no dey video call, dem dey send each other. I streak you prick, you streak me breast. I streak you breast, you streak me toto. You dey get me so? Dem dey do am. So what's not the need for you to still keep the for you to still do screen record when be say on a normal note una dey send one's view dey talk I dey hear you.
Okay, that one a serious question, oh. Okay, now galas confirm say anytime you want go see e children, anytime you want go see e children, e dey always confirm e whereabouts to this e so-called Tejiri, abi. But if Tejiri want go see her own children, she dey confirm her whereabouts to galas.
Somebody close to Tracy just called me and said Tracy never one day streak noon to galas. Say streak they never do am. Say na only that video dey get me so they dey do for each other. That one na normal. Say boyfriend and girlfriend. That one na normal. You dey get me so? That one na normal. But say she come stand, snap herself, send am, she never wan dey try am. So galas go dey be like I will call galas for me to confirm that part. Galas dey here, so no need for me to confirm. I don already talk am. If galas say na lie, I believe say he go come by himself talk say na lie. So Trace never wan dey streak galas breast or anything.
The root of all
So
these
if
things
they are two
na
dey
from
in the mood,
galas.
you dey get me so? If they are two dey in the mood, then they call each other, they do am. Say come go galas for the record Tracy no know. So I come dey wonder why galas dey keep all this recording.
If you not get motive, why you go keep the recording for phone?
Okay.
Now wetin I get to talk with that?
Thank you, my brother. If you not get those motive, why did you keep it? Okay, hold on. May I pick up on another
talk to Goya. Though money not be everything, no. Money not be everything, Goya. You need to back up or you open platform, tell this your clients the truth. Not because of 100 or 50 or it. I don't care how much you give you, Goya. If you see say you dey talk true, you dey talk everything, talk the truth. You dey hear me, so Goya. I'm not gonna say you open platform, go fear and boom me on your way. I don't care. But I'll tell you as it be, I don't fear anybody. I don't respect, I'll respect you. Goya, back off! A woman like you. Not that you don't know the truth of this matter. A woman like you want the banner because say they give you money. Goya. Remove your hand because I see
Now they hear me. Now,
Goya, back off.
Now,
Yeah, go further talk.
true to the bone of protection as the law and the lawyer of this case. Now I don't confirm why this Justina is depressed. They say Galas don't voted Justina. Say he still love Tracy. Even when they say Justina get belle, they say they tell Justina to go through with the belle. Say he already get 2 children. He no want born again. So this girl was disappointed if he say Galas they use them. Open and they get the matter. Mona open now here. Mona they list it. Double tap on your screen. Mona double tap on me. When I wait, Mommy Angel they talk. Hello.
See, women, see, money cannot buy love. You can't buy a man with money. No matter the money you have.
Okay, wait. May they help you. Ask about yourself.
Justina, the video when you take post Galazi nude, you say not be you cast out. How come the way they call the brand Galas a prick no show? I be want them say Galas not show Tracy prick. Why Tracy can't they honor like that? So if not be really post, I know that.
Okay. Justina, you there? If not be you, how come you not leak? How come Galas will not leak? You are trying to protect Galas and disgrace the baby mama. Man, they suffer. Woman no know. Man, they suffer. Woman no know. And bring people up. Hello.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Wetin I get to talk be say, you see, wetin I reason for Galas, you no get any rights for person wey you call your baby mama because she be your ex. You no get any right to keep the video except say you get her for mind to blackmail her.
He get her for mind. Why he keep the phone? Because she dey upset with Tracy Galazi. She even tell Tracy by herself. According to what they tell me, oh Tracy, abeg, I don't know. Not go give me newspaper or what they tell me now talk. They say she even tells Tracy, say she dey use the video till they masturbate. Say her body not go fit stand for another woman. Now they hear me, so they say na wetin Galas by herself tell Tracy before. Even Tracy that time, so Tracy don't even know say na he knew they talk about to Tracy message the thing say na maybe na a video make she dey post. Did they get me, so she think say maybe na video make she dey post for TikTok or this thing. Now the video make Tracy think say Galas they talk about with that. Did they use the video till they kick on G?
It is well. The one we do with her for us, nourish.
The one me dey with her for us, you not like that one. According to what they talk, they say na money they take by that one. They don't want to buy.
So there's that toto. No wahala.
Wait, the justice month, what an our treasurer, one for a bit secretary, to the.
Then they talk just that precious. They talk just now saying, you not get the video, you don't know anything about them. Information reaching me now. They don't send me both her face and everything. When should they distribute the video? They go even making video showing people. Yeah, showing people now face everything.
080
to record them.
080 they write down 080 50 60 43 94 080 50 60 43 94 080 50 60 43 94. Yes, I better say now. I first talk about give me this precious, but I talk I say I don't trust this precious. I don't trust them. I don't trust this precious. I better forward that for me. Forward that. Who plus 234? Plus 234 80 50 60 43 94.
I will send it to you right now. The one is called distract me.
Oh yeah, nah, don't matter. Don't let the first thing out to me because they want tell you say no son give Godfather na wicked man. They want tell me no son give me oh. They want tell you they want bribe you. They want bribe you. They want bribe you. Now you boy you marry oh. Don't let them bribe you. You marry you boy don't they marry. Don't they bribe oh. Don't let them bribe you. Now you boy you marry oh. Don't let them bribe you. Don't let them bribe you. No agree oh. No agree oh. No agree. No agree. No agree.
For me,
No agree.
for me, I dey hardly talk for people matter, but this particular, it just dey very, very annoying. That Tejiri girl, person supposed to just cash and give am better beating, better serious beating. With small good self, it's too small. Because I don't understand where you go see collect man, you not reach for there. You get the effort and the audacity. Publish person nude when the busy not be you get am. You carry out the share up and down, the share out. Body all the pepper me serious. I get luck. Say no dey near where I dey.
Listen to me, madam. Vicky no know the person. You dey get me so? They say na ever. Now the distributor na ever did the video for there when she take the sender. Hold on. Hold on. I'm not send me the video, I beg. My friend. Na ever. Okay, I'm winning. Na ever. Muna give me ever picture. Na ever circulate the video. Ever. Wait, no this. Ever, now you circulate the video. See your face for the video. So ever come and debunk this. See whether they show you, see when you just screen record down. So ever come and debunk this. Share this live video for me. Mona, give me ever picture. Togagbe o, vedo togagbe o. Shut up, I no say na how you know?
Tejiri togagbe o, tejiri togagbe o. We dey come for you, don't worry.
Mona call ever come. Mona give me ever picture, abeg. Okay, she don't call. Hello.
See, that video when they sent for you, when my face day, you know say na Justina screen record that video. Justina screen record that video and keep it. In case the thing is cast, it go first test the head, put her. Because that same day, Justina was screen recording.
Wait. Justina, they call you, Justina, they call you, they show you, see they screen record you.
She the screen record and he keep the video. In case the thing cast, it go be as if na me do her. If they bring you do, I go swear. If na me really post that video, Justina know what she did. Okay, fine. You say you know what mess or thing cast. Why you want to call everybody? They show them. You go call this one show, call the other one show. You go tell this one say.
I bet wait, they my life first. They my life first. They my life. Now I want to know Uri record this thing. I want post specific. May I post down? I want post specific. If I post specific, we go know who record down. May I post down? Okay. See, according to this thing, not oh God. According whether they do see Percy picture for him take another call. So who get this speaking? May come outside. Who get this profile? This speaking so may come outside. Now Justina number you get, I've been at this ever number now we go tell no. She bring they understand the way this thing be. Now they understand. See who get this baby? Who get this baby? Who get this baby? Who get her? picking not to show. Who get this baby? Who get this baby? I remove this picture first. Who get this baby? This baby. Someone I look at very well. Who get her? Move back. Look at very well. Who get her? So I know who get her. Man, tell me for WhatsApp. But I don't say there's a saga your picking. Just let me know. Say that picking and my picking but na Justina. No by I get. No, the feet are not affected now. The feet are not affected now. My face feet are big. Feet are not affected. And they blow. See. So all you need to do now, Justina. Not by I get. It doesn't finish. It's not clear. Yeah.
Of character now you do so. God go punish you. Ali Bonine will fight you. Anywhere you go, they will fight you. Anywhere you put your hand, it will spoil. Any people will spoil your name. You will do good for people, and they will pay you with bad. You will do good for people. You were don't born safe. You never even born for the man. You will do good for people, they will pay you with bad. All your friends, they will turn around and betray you. Since you never see pain, you never see what it be to betray somebody, they will betray you. If you don't see betrayal in the past, that one na starting point. This time around, the kind of betrayal and rejection you will receive, you will never believe it in your life. May God punish you, punish your generation, 10 generations to come, and generation to generation, in the name of Jesus. Because you never born for this man never marry you. So you got no right, whether it is recent or old video, old video, whether it's recent or old video, you don't have no fucking right to post it. You useless.
Even though that recent, why you not go cut the boy prick?
You got no right. Can I shame say you there with man for us? Man, keep
thank you very much.
Tracy Galaxy,
Please, number one, go father for this case.
Hey, my brother, I beg, wait. Now this woman fell come, I beg. Now you do now. Wait, I beg. I can hear you.
Okay, I want to say something. I'm not here to insult. I'm not here to insult. Excuse. Okay, who is? I'm the one to talk, right? Okay.
Yeah.
I'm not here to insult, but this is really painful. And I want to say something. Galaxy is the guy, right? Galaxy. Do you know what I will tell you? Go and ask God for forgiveness. Yes. Go and ask God for forgiveness. You know what I'm saying? It because Tracy, I don't know Tracy. I've not bought her from her. I don't know her. Yeah, but I used to see her videos. I want to say this thing. You know why? Because that woman, she have keys for you. This is something that is painful. I'm telling you, this thing is painful. See, no woman go like say make you no picture come outside. I'm telling you, this is really painful. That lady, and she have babies for you. And that kids, internet will never forget to. Internet will forget. You understand? And this is a lesson to all ladies. Now when they love man, never trust a man. I'm telling you. Because if Galaxy don't have any intention, you wouldn't have kept that video. I'm telling you the fact. Galaxy, you are hearing me now. I don't know you from anywhere, but go and ask God for forgiveness. See, if you feel go anywhere, go beg Tracy. Anywhere you decide to beg him. I'm telling you the fact. God, this is painful.
Madam, sorry, have you patronized Tracy Galaxy?
No, I have no patron. I'm going to patronize. No, I've not.
Let me call a number for you. Go and patronize her first.
Okay, please. No, yeah,
As you are investing now, you have to patronize her to share her up. Yes. Let me call you a business number.
Don't worry.
Are you writing it down?
Yes.
+1 now.
Okay.
+1 now.
Okay.
17.
Okay, I'm writing it.
+1 now.
Yes, I'm writing it. Yeah.
Okay. +4 now. 17 87 33 77 88.
Okay.
I be calling for me. Man, confirm.
Oh God. Hey. +49. Wait, oh, the don't come out. Please wait.
Nah, that means you not for the data. You not say cash.
No, it's not that. Please wait, no, because I typed on the comment section because if I go, I don't have another phone.
No, type me. Don't save it. Just click copy and go to your WhatsApp and message.
Okay.
Oh yeah, let me call it again. +49.
049. Yeah.
17. 87. 33. 77. 88.
88. Okay, let me call it for you. 0049 178 733 7788.
Yeah, go to your WhatsApp. Copy. Go to your WhatsApp.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Go and buy Bow Street, or you buy Deep
Okay. When
Wave,
can
or you buy
I done
PC
talking? When
Coin.
I'm done, can I? Or you want that person to? Or should I just end what I want to say and?
Talk.
Okay.
Yeah, go
So,
to the next person.
so what I want to say, Galas, is that
Come to the top. So
okay,
they talk
go
now,
on.
they support.
Yeah, don't worry, I'm going to support. Please go
Okay.
and ask that lady to forgive you, and still also beg your kids too. As they tell us she forgive you, still they tell your kids, say no worry, una will be considered, but I want them una solve because you have offended that lady. And for you, Justina, I'm not going to insult you, but do you see this thing you did there? You go see her later for future. Yes, this life is spiritual. A lot of people don't know that life is spiritual. Life, it is spiritual. There's nothing what you go do for this earth, you go on. See, that's what I'm saying, that if your pastor no fit remove curse from you, ask God, make God remove curse from you. Because what you did to Tracy is painful. Okay? That is it. Thank you very much, everybody. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Talk to me, my brother.
Number one, Godfather. As I dey call this girl, though, it good, not be saying no good. But number one person, we supposed to put a picture for you and that boy. Because number one, if that boy not save that video for him phone, this girl not go see a record. And before that boy go keep that phone for many years for him phone, he get wetin he carry for mind. Maybe you want use and blackmail the girl for future. Like make can get that mind, leave that video for him phone. That's where they're supposed to swear for where we say.
But good they say whether a consolation message. I say make una patronize her. Sorry, they sorry tell you na something. Wait here, I'm on that. I need Bow Straight, I need Deep Wave, I need PC Quest, I need Bossy. Now wait here, someone on that. Oh, good they kill the key consolation. Who damn me the console for? You the craze? Who damn me the console for? No, but who that they console for?
My hobby say Oguna go kill this Justina.
Godfather.
No say consolation message. Keep it to yourself.
Justina,
keep your consoling to yourself. Go and console with your father.
Europe.
Because that boy number one, he fuck up. As the boy, as they don't break up, you're not supposed to leave that video for your phone. As they break up, they're not there again. Supposed that delete that, because if you not get motive to blackmail the girl for future, that boy not supposed to leave that video for him phone. As they see they swear for this girl like this, may they see they swear for the boy and see hang the boy picture. May they see no one. Because now that boy now he just cause all this thing. Because number one, if the boy not get the video, this girl enough if I not see anything post.
And they come, my brother. Now swear one swear. When I meet they on the settlement they put. Anybody, and from this moment, anybody may go share that video again. Who don't know your friend, you want share and give her, Now Wetin go bring you down, and people go share, they go. And so it go be. And so it go be. Anybody may they share that video. As they share that video, they go. Now Wetin go bring you down, now you they share. Wetin go bring you down. Wetin go make people they mock you. Wetin go kill wetin you value most. Wetin go make you lose wetin you go value most, That go be your portion. As you share that video from this moment, as you don't confirm and I say, na old video number one, and na ex-baby father that one. Now wetin you value most, then you go lose. Now wetin you value most, then you go lose. Oh, wetin you value most, then you go use. From this moment, if you share that again, and this is for everybody, all these bloggers say, one male of na shut up. Nobody should talk about it again. Over the live video of 18, not be so we good. We dey make the matter they escalate. Everybody serious. Nobody should talk about the matter. Everybody now don't hear say, wetin they call that native name again? Man, they call it a native name. Not be Justina. Una me there, I don't know your name.
Tejiri.
Now, Ogene Tejiri. Omyo mom. Ogene Tejiri.
Justina, me a
what? Now Ogene Tejiri. I don't know what to make her secure. Now Ogene Tejiri. I know what the special about body.
Now
Ogene Tejiri. Now make her they see Tracy. No, they get peace.
Your
I never
godfather,
see
don't
before. You go
share.
carry,
How far now?
you go carry person baby father, person baby
See,
father. You
say
no go let
Tracy
am
Gallas
rest.
is
The
not
woman
pack.
no come fight you. You collect man from my hand. I not see my girl. You collect man from my hand. Dey the press o. As you collect man, the woman see another man.
Suffer for life.
And you no come get peace.
Person
God
don't
will not take
Godfather,
you.
So
You na wait, my brother. You no go wait.
so
Anybody may share this video again. Now wait till
see
you share
don't
this pass, you go lose. Now wait till you share this pass, you go lose. Oh, wait till you share this pass, and you go lose. Now wait till you share this pass, that's what you will lose. Nobody should share this video anymore. Make una try and move on. Imagine this happen to your sister. If it happen to your mama, say from the sister I go use na mama because trust na mama. Imagine say it happen to una mama, will you be happy? Imagine say it happen to your senior sister, make get pikin, make get children. Will you be happy?
where they Europe, where they Italy, where this Justina there. Be muna gather video and post. This Justina wagbe me wala wo walere Europe.
This is to the Italy, the Nigeria community in Italy. Now, popularly known as Justina, popularly known as
Justina.
TJ. We hear by Moaburo in Italy. Now let it be Aburo. Nobody dey talk to that girl.
Godfather, as they see they do am to Galaxy because that boy so now be the genesis of this problem. Because I will say he not get this video for this phone.
Now we go Galaxy body. This is to Galaxy. A baby papa that don't want to move on. Unfortunately, you miss your baby mama.
He dey miss Toto, he dey miss Tracy Toto, not let her leave.
You know say Toto not go let you leave. The wait me hear from people, man. They say, I wish you keep your prick on one place. Tracy be still love you. I mean, because say you not keep your prick for one place.
Tracy na sweet girl, you not let her leave.
Maka, you dey talk on my mouth, you not go mute. Mute. Make I talk. They say na because say you not keep your prick on one place, now make Tracy gog you. They say your prick they let you to keep on one place. Even though na cow wear skirt, you go one shoot that thing put. Even though na cow wear skirt, you go one shoot that thing. Even though na fowl wear skirt, you go one shoot that put. Now make the girl gog you. So this is also to Tracy Galaxy. If you like, you as a girl, they watch me. Make Galas toast to me, go meet and your Toto go see come outside. Galas so dey easy. If you like, you as a girl, Galas talk to you, you go green. If your Toto come outside, me, I go share am. Because fusion cannot arise the second time. Now before they say they let a fusion, they arise second time. For this one, maybe so if you arise the second time, now you can sabi. If Galas toast you, you can't go green, go give am Toto, you go record your Toto. You go record your Toto. If Galas shop man to may I put a picture? Make send me a picture. Make una send me a picture. Make una send me a picture. I dey hear you who dey talk.
So
make una send me a picture. I see put a picture for you.
As for this girl, as you see that kind of video for that boy, if we supposed to follow and quarrel self because I follow girl. You know, you're not supposed to post that. You're supposed to follow and quarrel where we say, this girl na your ex. Why you go see get this kind? This what of another person go lick her by mistake? Wetin go happen? You can't be saying that she can't use her hand go lick her fellow girl nude
because she did.
This girl dey jealous Tracy. They vex for her. You don't know.
People don't say they vex for am because you know get that right because wetin you do person they go see do am if they do am back to her make
if they find you want to bring Tracy down epa you new come here.
All these people they don't fit us, they don't sit tea. My brother, I want to end this life. More than 4 hours, 30 minutes. I don't try, I beg. I don't try. I will come back later. Yeah, I'm not sure what time they'll go and later. But me, I people come up. Hello. God's favorite. Jenny. Put the map picture. They never send her for me. Mona send her for me. Jenny no matter talk. Chama. I dey hear you. Who go remove her? Na me o. Wetin dey worry my network? Chama send your request again. No vex o.
That father na Tejiri. Tejiri dey obsessed.
Wait first. Now you send me 100,000. Now you send me 100K.
Yes, Godfather, that's
go better for you. Thank you, I see am. I confirm 100K.
No problem.
Better for you.
Godfather, wetin I want to see. Now God will punish that Galaxy and that wife. God will punish 12 days. No go better for them. You see this time when Tracy want to says, okay, why you no be say why she no post her see those time? Now she when she want to says when she dey post back to back. When she dey post back to back.
product dey your shop. I just an expire product that you dey sell for shop.
When she want,
Una me dey Italy, bona small oh.
she dey post back to back. She don't. If you see her store, okay, why now? Why they come dey share the video now? I don't know why people just dey like to bring person down for just no reason, because of hatred and jealousy. I don't know. Me say this TikTok dey fear me, Why? Okay, why you no post that? Why you no post that?
Mona go follow Tracy Galaxy. Mona go follow and buy her.
Mona go follow and buy her. Oh, Tracy, see, not even depressed for this thing. Your reason are small. Your let go. You don't pass now. Before you understand, you move on. You know go better for that woman and the Galaxy, because I will say that Galaxy delete the video. All those things for no happen. You understand? All those things for no happen. So just try move on and just continue your sales.
Yes, I don't remove now. The main victim for this thing now. Me, I know Mona not they accept. No, Mona not accept. Don't even want to talk first. Person not by my define, I never get on. Now be Felice. One call Felice, we need to beg. Now Felice, we need to beg. Because nobody goes sit down and say that they share your wife this deal. Now Felice, we need to beg. For those of me get Felice number, I beg me need them personally. I want call her. Now me need them. Then I get some elderly men for me, they follow me. I'll bring them come up. When I see join me talk to her. You need to explain and give Felice perfectly. Because now the Felice go physically calm the Tracy down. Now the Felice go physically give Tracy hope. Say, my wife don't listen to them, even though they cast down. I see they with you. Now the Felice go give the girl hope. No. Now the Felice, because if you listen to that record about the Felice and the Justina, Felice they concerned of if not recent or if not before. So now what time for we to call Felice, make her understand say now old video be this oh. This video so now old video, not be even 2 years ago. This is now over 3 years, maybe 4 years ago video. Now what you supposed to tell Felice? Who get Felice number? Okay, press it doesn't that for me. I'll fair mute too. Mona fair wait, I'll fair mute. You be like Indian call. Okay, wait. Mona wait, he say he will call me back now. He say he will call me back. The man will call me back. They don't give me number, I don't call her, he will call me back. He will call me. Now the mercy, now the key to this matter be this one. They hear me so all those una beg, eh? Una just send me the picture. Mona send me the picture, not send that for me. All those I beg. All those kodo this thing. I take cover for Galas now. Wow, they want to start to they say they cover for Galas. Let me see again. Oh, now this one they talk. Mona send me video picture. Now you when they talk and see Mona send me picture. Now you when they talk and since. Now you see when they talk and. Cause me and the Tracy will not dey play. Me not fit call the Tracy. Mona not send me Tracy number. Now they who me fit call be this. I fit ask okay. We go beg am. Now they one will fit calm this woman down. Make her understand say now old video. He go pain no, not be say no go pain. He go reason now. Nobody may not the pain. She is not the first. Now irresponsible man when she go born for, when she call baby papa. Now I do this nonsense. I don't want this nonsense. They hear me so? I don't want this nonsense. Mona wait, he say he go call me. Mona wait, he go call me. Mona wait. Mona they double tap on your screen. Can I double tap 300k? Double tap on your screen. Double tap on your screen. Not be say man talk. Not be say man talk. Man they wear jeans. He can't wear this. He can't talking now. Now call they say na better man. See wetin dark skin boy cause. Tall, clean, and handsome. Wetin he cause with it now? That na slim boy oh, handsome. Now I cause this one so handsome, handsome, handsome man. Now I do this one so. And the woman that made one, and the woman who they talk say you know the talk is very quiet. It's very quiet. Tracy too they ask for the man. Tracy too get body. Now this one your face gala, this one your quiet. See wetin the quiet one do. Mona tell me wetin Tracy do. The time make Tracy and the man do na hear their talk. Not be relationship scatter, not go na hear. I be Tracy come cry give una say na so the man dey cheat. The girl don't pay. He join you. Even me shy, I see fight to the Justin at that time, but that time I don't know. Me na info me they give me the game. Let me tell the talk with me not the side anybody. I beg come on, not first. I'm not first. So when I wait, me the mark come. Double tap on your screen. Double tap on your screen. Double tap on your screen. So when you Justina? So you na Yoruba woman, you talk say you come from upper, not that again, not spoil our name. Even though upper girls get paper body, but they don't move like this. If now upper girl catch your husband for this kind of thing, go cut the prick. You go shook him, you go give the man mark. You go say, now when my wife see me and my baby mama video, now make her give me this mark. If now upper woman, I wait till upper woman go do. Not be like, so you be Yoruba girl. You be Yoruba girl. Now you call the last say you are from upper, you be upper girl. Now upper girl. I bet when I beat this Justina for me. When I beat her, because I said you that time when you go follow that girl fight, go bust the head. Yes, I bet when I beat her, I see side and I'm not see beat her. Because when you go bust that girl head that time, I miss side and say you don't aware because they post her picking. Now I post person no. With that Tracy friend me they call Vicky, that me they carry gym. That me marry you me they carry gym. Me they eat 5 eggs, 7 eggs, 6 eggs, 8 eggs. This is time for you to show your action. Show us the reason why you the gym ever since. I guess in Italy you see there. Vicky, when I call Vicky, come for me. Where Vicky? Where is Vicky? When I call Vicky, come for me. Vicky, all the money they spend for that your gym, and now I want to see this. I want to see the walking. I want to see the walking. Walk on that girl for me. Where Vicky? Where not Vicky? Where is Vicky? Show me the action. You need the store address. You need the store. Even though it's store, you go beat her for a store. If you're not gonna let her call police, when you know say something there, and when you know say you don't fuck up, if you're not gonna let her call police for you. Vicky, show me action. Vicky, show me action. This is time for you to show your action. Vicky, show me action. Be a good friend. A good friend, not be to the talk say sorry, don't do. Beat her for yourself. You go say na my friend's sake, I make me beat her. I beat her for the sake of my friend. I beat you on the sake of my friend. You tell her if you beat her finish, you go tell her you say, now the sake of my friend, I make me beat you. Not say you do me anything. You not owe me money. You not collect my baby father. You not collect you go for my hand. I beat you on the sake of my friend. You beat her for the sake. Come for this, say go call me back. I beg you. Justina is a depressed person. Justina no want move on. Again, I'll be when Justina, so you be wish. I regret all the days when I take join you. I can't let you say you be better person. They say you quiet. I can't follow people matter. This girl is a quiet girl. You know they talk. I mean, I call the listen. You know they talk very quiet. As a girl as you marry and a girl as not go get stress. They not go get anything. I bet moderator anybody wanna make your comment say go find they say they want saga you. I bet you block that person for me. Ask me your day so anybody they saga me not they see am. If you say you know me not they do if not before that I don't they charge. Justina, I don't be old boy. I'm not a man. Before I was a boy. Now boys they got TikTok on the shots. My own partner to the eat the name. Fear quiet people, fear them. As they wait to call Felice, I beg. Tracy, may I put the number for you? May I put on my pin now? When I not bring anybody up, when I bring people up, I not fit pin now. May I put the number for you? May I for pin now? I'm gonna for go dey patronize am